Hey everybody, Thelindabradley here. I have a really fun layaway for you and I'm just going to get right to it. So two of the most popular items in our catalog right now are the electrics, okay? These are the big buddies and we use them so much in our kitchen. So the first one is our stand mixer, and I've done many videos on it, but if you haven't seen it, real quick, it has a 7-quart bowl, which I love how nice and big it is, great handle on it. It has a splash protector so that when you put your flour, it doesn't come right up at you. On the bottom of it, it has 6 suction cups, so it stays down nice. It only weighs 14 pounds, so it's easy to move, and you can use it for so many things. I use it for mixing literally everything from obviously your cake and your, that type of dough, your brownie doughs, but I also use it to mix meatballs, meatloaf, cheese sauces, anything like that. Then we have the original one, and this is the high power blender. So this has 3 different adjustable, it has an adjustable knob, but then it has 3 pre-programmed ones. So one's for soup, it makes hot soup in 7 minutes. It has dips and spreads, you can make homemade hummus and pesto and all that kind of stuff. And then of course what most people use it for are the smoothies. It has such a high power that you can put your fruits in here whole and it just pulverizes them. So both of these are the really popular items that everybody loves. So I put a set together and here's how it works. You have to choose one or the other, all right? I don't know which one you want, which one you have, but you get to choose one or the other. And then in addition to that, I'm going to give you the most beautiful dishes that we've come out with. So this is called the mint limoncello. So you're going to see the mint dinner plate, and then here are I keep calling them tulips, the lemons, the limoncello in the Montebello. So this is stoneware. These pieces are good up to 400 degrees in the oven. They're dishwasher safe as well. And so you're going to get a set of 4 dinner plates, 4 luncheon plates, 4 mugs, 4 bowls and 8 mugs. So this way you can keep a set of mugs for yourself and maybe give a set away. So these in the book sell for $619. This whole place setting sells for $299, but we are not paying full price for anything. So this is a set that I can save you almost 50% when you buy it as a package. The total package is $605.17. That includes shipping, includes tax. You can start with just $160 down and then make 10 weekly payments of $44.50 each. I can adjust those payments however you want. So if you don't want to make them weekly, you want to do them every other week, that's fine. Just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will get it set up for you. As always, when I make up these packages, they are limited time. So make sure you reach out to me and let me know that you want it, and I will reserve one in your name. So you get to choose the mixer, the blender, one of these, and then of course you get the whole dishware set as well. You're gonna love this set. All right, see you next time. Hey everybody, Thelindabradley from Princess House. I have a special layaway offer for you tonight, and I wanted to make sure that you were the first to see it. So, one of the most popular items that we have is our double griddle. This is an awesome item because it goes front to back on your stove, whether you have gas, electric, induction, whatever type of stovetop you have. It has a non-stick inside, doesn't have any of the dangerous chemicals, and you can see how nice and large it is. So it really cooks a lot, all right? It's great for your breakfast. You can use your eggs and your meats and your potatoes all in one pan. It can cook a whole package of bacon in one sitting. You can use it in the oven as well with the lid. So remember, you can make pizza, so many different things, cookies, brownies, grilled cheese sandwiches, French toast, literally anything that you want. So this is one of our most popular items, and I have put it together in a set with you with another one of our most popular items. So this is the double griddle. It sells in the book for, how much is this one in the book? I think it's $239.95 if I'm not mistaken. And then I have 2 other items which you're going to have to choose. So this is our electric mixer, stand mixer, and this is our high power blender. I don't know if you have either of these. That's why I'm going to give you the choice to take the one that you want with this package, and then I have a bonus as well. So this high power blender has been a #1 seller in our catalog since it was first introduced. It has 3 settings that are already programmed. One's for smooth smoothies, so it's great to make your healthy drinks. One is for dips and spreads. You can do it for homemade salad dressings, pesto, hummus. And then one's for hot soup. You literally can make hot soup in here in 7 minutes. It also has a programmable dial so you can put whatever you want, and it's an awesome item that you will love in your kitchen. So this is called the high power blender, and then we have the stand mixer. This one is a 7-quart bowl, so it's nice and large. I've made 4 loaves of banana bread at once. It has 3 different attachments inside. It has a nice handle. Over top here, it has a splash protector so that when you pour your ingredients in, they don't come back up in your face. It has a dial on the side, 10 different levels of highness, 10 different levels of power. It has suction cups on the bottom so that it stays to your table. It is only 14 pounds, so it's easy to move. So here's the deal. You get to choose. Now, the double griddle comes in this order. That's number 1. You're going to get the double griddle. And then you have to choose whether you want the blender or you want the mixer. And this whole set all together is going to be just $5.72. Now, you heard me tell you this is $239.95. These are in the book for $6.19, so you're saving some money. This includes your shipping and your tax. So you can start this layaway with $150 and then just make 10 weekly payments of $42.20. We can ship it anywhere in the United States, and you can pay it sooner if you want. You don't have to wait 10 weeks. But I have a bonus for you. Are you ready? Alrighty, here's my bonus. So this is a 12-inch, I used this over the holidays, so I had to make sure I brought it back up again. This is a 12-inch Nom Skillet. I love this piece because it is great for cooking. You will notice inside that it does have a nice shiny interior, and that is good because it actually has a quick release feature. 12 inches is really nice and large for any of your larger meals. This is in the book at, probably $159.95, but you can get it for just $39.95 with this package that I'm putting together. So if you're interested in taking advantage of this, please reach out to me ASAP. So it is Thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will definitely get you reserved for this package. Like I said, you can start with just $150 and then put $42.20 every week for 10 weeks. If you'd rather pay every other week, if you'd rather pay once a month, we can figure all of that out. But I want you to go ahead and get these items so that you can start using them and fall in love. All right, see you next time. Hi everybody, Linda Bradley from Princess House. I have a really great layaway set that I think you're going to enjoy because it involves 2 of the most popular items and a brand new piece that you may not have seen yet. Actually, I don't think you've seen it because I haven't even seen it. I'm waiting for it to come. So I'm starting the set with 2 of the most popular items. This is our high power blender and this is our high speed mixer. You're going to have to choose one or the other, okay? So the high power blender is one of the most popular items that we've ever had in our line. I think it's because so many people do smoothies and all those healthy drinks. It has 3 programmed switches. One is for your smoothies, one is for dips and spreads, and one is for hot soup. It'll make hot soup in 7 minutes. It's an extremely high power blender and you're going to love it. If you already have our blender, then maybe it's time for the mixer. This is our stand mixer. It has a 7-quart bowl with a great handle on it. It does come with the 3 blades. One is the regular paddle, one is a whip, and then one is a dough hook. It has this very unique item up here, which is a splash guard. So when you put your ingredients in, they stay in the bowl. They don't come up. It has 10 different dials on the side for you to go ahead and use your power. It comes with 6 suction cups on the bottom so that it stays wherever you put it. And it only weighs 14 pounds, so it's easy enough for you to move it around. I use mine for everything, way more than just baking. I use it when I do meatloaf or meatballs or cheese sauces or anything like that. It saves you so much time in the kitchen. So you have to choose which one of those you want, and then I'm going to include in this set one of the brand new items. I'm so excited. I'm waiting for this to come. So this is our barbecue set. Can you see it? So this pan that you're going to see over here has perforations on it. And the point of it is that when you go ahead and use it outside on your barbecue, you can put on there the delicate items that normally you wouldn't be able to put on your barbecue. So you can use it for vegetables. You can use it for seafood, right? Your shrimp, your scallops, anything like that. Can you see it? It's an awesome awesome piece. I'm so excited for this, especially as summer comes. And then the other item that you're going to see over here are the actual tools. So these are 4 long-handled barbecue tools that you'll be able to use all summer long. And these are brand new items. They are just coming out now. Princess House, like many other companies, have been having problems getting things in stock. So we're still waiting, but they're going to be here before you know it. So here's the deal. These items, they sell for $619 each. The grilled pan is $99 and the set of the 4 tools are $169. But you know you will never pay full price with me. So this is a set that I've put together that you can take this set for just $600 and, uh-oh, I might need my glasses. I have my little cheat sheet. Let me make sure I read it correctly. $603, all right, for everything. And that includes your shipping and it includes your tax. So you can start with just $150 down payment and then make 10 weekly payments of $45.80 each. And it's yours. So you'll get to choose either the blender or the stand mixer, and you will get both of these pieces. You will get the grill set is what we're calling it. So one of them is the grill pan, and then the other you'll see are the grill tools. So I'm very excited to be able to offer this to you. Please reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will get it all started for you. Keep in mind that they are limited time only products, so please make sure that you get them in time. All right, I'll see you next time. Hi everybody, Linda Bradley from Princess House. Are you tired of hearing from me? I hope not. I have another layaway package for you, and it is with our most popular products, which are the electric mixer and the high power blender. So this is a different package. You might be interested in it. You might already have the blender. Now it's time for the mixer, because you do have to choose. It's one or the other. So the electric stand mixer only weighs 14 pounds. It's easy for you to move around. It has suction cups on the bottom, so it stays put wherever you do put it. It has a 7-quart bowl, nice and large. You can make 13 dozen cookies. Has a great handle on it. It also has a shield so that when you put your ingredients in, they don't splash back up. Comes with 3 different paddles. One is the regular paddle, has a whip, and then it also has a dough hook. And then there's 10 different power selections for you to choose. So this is our stand mixer. I use it for way more than just baking. I use it for meatloaf and meatballs and cheese sauces and anything that I can to save me time. The next up is our high power blender, and this has been a #1 seller since the company first introduced it. So many people are drinking those healthy smoothies, and it's perfect for that because you can put your fruit in here whole and it'll just pulverize it. So it has 3 programmed channels already. One is for your smoothies, one is for dips and spreads. You can make homemade salad dressings, and then the other one is for hot soup. It makes hot soup in 7 minutes. It's amazing. So this is the large high power blender. And then as an extra that I'm putting together these packages, we have a brand new item that I think you're going to love. I just don't have it yet. I'm waiting. It's coming any day. And this is the Rotary Grater. Have you seen the little videos on this? It's so exciting. So this is an item that, again, will suction cup right to your counter, and it has 3 different drums with 3 different levels. So one is a coarse grater, one is a fine grater, and then one is a slicer. So it's like a Vegematic. It's great for your salads. If you're a salad eater, you're going to love this. And you can shoot out your cheese. You can use it for dark chocolate. So many different things. Nuts. Love this piece. And then also a brand new item, I don't know if you can see it, but we have a pizza cutter. And so this is the package that I'm giving to you. It's going to have your choice, okay? You have to choose either the stand mixer or the high power blender, and you're going to get the grater and then the pizza cutter as well. 2 brand new products. So these in the book are $6.19. The grater's $139. The pizza cutter's $39.95. Never pay full price with me. So you're going to see that this is a package that I've put together, and it's just $556. You can start it with just $115 deposit, and then you can make 10 payments of $41.63 each. just reach out to me, Thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will be more than happy to help you and get this all situated. We ship anywhere in the United States. It ships as soon as it's paid in full. So if you want to pay it in full right away, you can, or if you want to take a little bit of time. You can take up to 10 weeks, but you don't have to take 10 weeks. I have 4 different blender packages, so make sure that if you're seeing this video, you see the other ones too, because you're going to have to choose which one is best for you. All right, I will see you next time.